now that we already showed you how to provide visualizations to show insights into our data, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clicking a new exploration so that we can look further into this data. So what we're going to do is, now that we have our visualization, which is marketing by profit, all we have to do is click this compass right here, and it's going to prompt us to choose new exploration or add to existing. Since we don't have an exploration, we're going to be clicking that. And what it's going to be doing is it's going to be showing our chart in a full page view. And on the right, we're going to have our narrative insights like we had in our previous visualization dashboard. And then we're going to be showing some highlights here, which is going to show some key correlations within our data. And here we can see that there's many correlations between our data, state and product, total expenses and sales, and we also have total expenses and cost of goods sold, and these are all really good. So since we want to provide the strongest correlation, we're going to click the first one. And what this is going to show is a heat map, and it's going to show a predictive strength index. And for this, we want to click on this, the heat map, which is more effective in showing our key correlation. And as you can see here, we have the 3 key ones that stand out the most from our data. But since we want to see more correlations between the states and the type of product that we have, we're going to click here, and we're going to turn insights off so that it can highlight other key factors. So we can see lemon, we can see Colombian coffee in Wisconsin, and we can see cafe mocha is really popular in New York, Illinois, Florida, and California, which is going to allow us to show that, oh wow, we really see that our cafe mocha is selling good in the following states. So we can use that conclusion to understand more about our customers. And we can also look at our related visualizations on the top. So what we can do here is click the visualization. And here we can see related as well if we want to go down further pathways. So we have profit and marketing for state regions, and we have costs of goods by product colored by state. For this case, I think this would be a nice visualization to add to gain more insight into our data, and then we can add this one if we want, and it's going to create it right now. And as you can see, we can have a better way of looking at the data if we want. So in this case, we can see Colombian is selling really good, and it has a good high cost of goods sold, and this is going to give us better insight into our data overall. So to recap what we just went through, I just showed you how to create a dashboard with our coffee data, and I showed you how to create explorations so that we can drive better insight into our data and have a better understanding. And overall, this is going to provide you a better way of making better business decisions based on the data that you're seeing, and it's going to allow you to understand more about the data. I hope this helps show you how you can use Cognos Analytics to look better at your data. And if you want to look further into understanding more about Cognos Analytics, feel free to reach out to me at jimmy.outran@ibm.com. Thank you so much for looking at this video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.